This is the Grote Markt, which means the Grand Market. In the 1500s, Antwerp became the richest city in Europe because right here people traded spices, textiles, and sugarcane amongst many other things from the European continent. But the most important aspect of this square is not the square itself, but actually this statue. So the legend goes that 2,000 years ago, a giant lived down by the river, built a castle there, and actually charged all the ferries going by half of their load as a tax, or he would cut off their hands. Well, a Roman soldier didn't like that, and his name was Bravo. He fought the giant, cut off the giant's hand, and threw it in the river, and hence Hendwerpen, or modern Antwerpen, developed as a city name. The port of Antwerp has become Europe's second largest seaport, and that's by total freight shipped. That's a lot. On the 16th of September 1944, 550 Canadian soldiers advanced on Antwerp to prevent the Germans from destroying these facilities. At the end of 3 hard weeks of fighting, over 14,000 Allied casualties were reported, of which 6,500 were Canadians. So we are at Antwerp Central Station. It was constructed between 1895 and 1905, and because of its unique and beautiful architecture, it's considered one of the most beautiful railway stations in all of Europe. Let's go. Hey everybody, so we are at a restaurant called Fish & Go-Go. It's a quick little place that's very close to the main square. I got the fisherman's salad, which has shrimp and onion and whatever inside. We also have the... perfect.
Voila, here you are.
Also have the fried squid here, and then the shrimp croquette. So let's give it a try. That is a fishy salad, but it's really good. Now we're going to try the squid. I don't know if they put some pesto on it or something with the spices and oils, but it's really, really good. Oh wow, that is soft. Can you see that? That is just breaking apart right there. That's crazy. So look inside. You can see all the shrimp in there. Let's see if we can break a piece off. And it's so creamy. It's like a creamy shrimp sauce almost. Fish and go-go. It's good. Okay, so today is my 34th birthday. and we decided to get a giant fish platter, just go crazy with seafood. So what we have here are oysters. There are several different kinds from several different parts. Don't ask me to name them, I can't. We have lobster we have a North Sea lobster, North Sea crab. We have baby shrimp. We have what look like clams and delicious things. So that's my 34th birthday. Thank you guys for being a part of the adventure and supporting the channel. It's meant a lot to me, and peace, love, and happiness. Keep traveling. So chances are, if you're going to Bruges, Brussels, Amsterdam, or any of the other major European cities, you're probably going to leave from here. Let's go.